I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along. Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Moyo K. Anyway, shit, my lips are dry. Absolute lip gloss is not gonna cure the dryness of your lips, so make sure you apply Vaseline before you apply Absolute. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be moving. Obviously, I moved in yesterday, but I'm going to be arranging my stuff. So let's just call this a moving vlog. In case you haven't seen the previous vlog, please check out my travel vlog. And yeah, let's just go straight into arranging the stuff, filling my bed, arrange my wardrobe, and arrange my toilet, and then taking some of the things I need and go out to get them again. So with that said, join me. Let's go. Oh yeah, this is also going to be in time lapse. So get me.
Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong. And I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid picture of us from June 24th. It's where I kissed you for the first time, laid on your sheets. You gave me your heart and said you trusted with me, but all I did was let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention, maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should've known. One more drink, just swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind, but nobody said it was easy. Maybe I should've known. I've been out till late, shifting beds, trying to kill the image of you.
So in here is my attachments and other stuff I now be using for a month. So I'm going to put this under my bed and I'll arrange the remaining later.
In the city lights is where I saw you for the last time. Said our goodbyes, sat in the car. You saw the pain in my eyes, but I just couldn't let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention, maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy.
I just finished showing my mom how much money I spent today, like on things I went to buy. You guys, my energy is low. I don't know, like, low-key, this place is depressing. But I don't want to admit it yet. That's why I'm trying to annul my feelings, and I'm trying to like just let it be. I'm not focusing on how I feel. I'm just focusing on what is to do rather than thinking about my emotions. Like, I spent money today. That's why I wanted to shop in Lagos before I left. These things are expensive and I'm feeling guilty. But then I need clothes. Like, I can't wear this outside. All these clothes are not thick enough. These are summer clothes. Anyway, I'm out now. When I go out again, I'm going to Tesco. I don't know. Maybe things will be on sales one of these days. When they're on sales. But then for now, I want to order from Shein and get like all those like really cheap, affordable stuff. And I stopped saying cheap, affordable stuff. And then I also want to get things from Tesco. I said that yesterday and I still did not go out today. So yeah, let's go to Tesco. I'll first eat the leftover sandwich I have in my fridge, and then I'll change this outfit into something that I don't need a jacket for. That way I don't need to carry a lot of load. So that's all. See you guys once I'm going out. And I end up going to Tesco because going there is just a waste of time, if I'm being honest. If they cannot bring you clothes, why go that far So I'm just going to check if there's anyone around that I can get like plates and pans and stuff, and then from there I'll come back. And also I misplaced one earring. See, I misplaced one earring. I don't even know. You guys, I'm not feeling my best today. I feel like I'm feeling out of place. I feel out of place, that's the thing. Anyway, I'll see you guys. Don't forget my slippers and socks as I did yesterday. Yeah.
Maybe I should know. One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody said it was easy. But maybe I should know.
This room will be the end of me at this point. Because what is this? I'll still arrange it.
Guitar.
So I showed you guys, I got clothes yesterday from Marks and Spencer. I wore these joggers yesterday as well, and those are the clothes. I'm not going to give you guys a haul or whatever, but whenever I dress, I'll show you. I'll let you know if it's from Marks and Spencer or whatever brand it's from, and they're quite expensive actually. Then here I have my duvet. This is from T Hughes or something. This is from T Hughes. Here I have my duvet, my bed sheet, and a pan. Here I have some kitchen stuff and a bed sheet and kitchen towel and one Victoria's Secret perfume because I need Victoria's Secret in my life. And then here I have some things for my face and just some skincare products basically. Here I have this is from Boots, this is from Aldi. I have this blender because I couldn't find a big blender, so I just wanted something to use as quick as possible. And then I have this throw blanket, and I have some laundry soap. Then here I have sponge for my plates and some extra hangers for my sweaters, and some sorting out stuff like to sort out my laundry, chopping board. Then this for the toilet, and here I have my plates and my plate set basically. And here I have the rack for drying the plates. So yeah. Okay, so I've made a little progress. This is the room now. A little bit tidy. I'm about to head out. So I'm sorry about that and try to lay the bed first. These ones I'm going to dispose them today. These are recycles. Mostly because I open new stuff, so I have a lot of paper to be recycled. So I'm going to lay my bed now. Oh yeah, the doormat. I'm trying to go for a grey, blue, and white theme. That's why I'm getting mostly greys and stuff. Anyway, wardrobe is arranged. Let me zoom out a bit. Okay, those are the shoes that I know won't peel even if they're under heat. That's why I left them there. My other shoes that I know may peel if heat is too much, I let them stay here so they can breathe. I may transfer some of them here later, but I don't know.
So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it.
I'm going out to collect my BRP, but hi guys. I don't know what. Okay, no, this will be the continuous work. Hi guys. So hello, hi. Anyway, so I'm going to collect my BRP right now, and before doing that, I need to dispose these and then order an Uber and then go to school and then collect my BRP, and that's all. That's basically all. Then I'll go and return that blanket. Where's the blanket? It's under there. Where is it? Okay, see it. It's by, where's my hand? It's under that side. I have to return the blanket and get the bigger one because the bed sheet I got could not fit into the blanket, and I actually prefer a bigger bed sheet. So that's why I'm not exchanging the bed sheet. That's why I'm exchanging the blanket instead. So I'm going to get a bigger blanket. Yeah, so that's basically what's going on today, and I'm not sure I'll take you guys around, but I'm just going to show you like thin clips.
Nobody said it'd be easy, but maybe I should know. One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody said it was easy, but maybe I should know.
Straight ahead. Okay, so I've taken my student card as well as my BRP. Okay, finally leave this place. It's already raining, but this is. Hello. Hi. Yeah, it's already raining. Should I use an umbrella or should I walk it like other people? My hands are cold. Guys, the wind is winding. Like, it's actually blowing off my umbrella. I'm trying to do a 15-minute walk to my hostel to actually see if I can, or if it's just blabbing and I'm not going to be able to ever do it. So this is my trial run. Let's see if I can do a 15 minutes walk to my hostel. But first, I'm actually branching Victoria's Secret, and when I come out, I'll let you guys know. This thing is actually taking off the umbrella from my hand. But we move.
I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along.
So now that I'm back to the apartment, I'm just going to be ending this vlog here, the home moving vlog. I'll end it here. And I got some bras and some panties. So now I'm going to return, or should I finish the vlog when I finally laid my bed? You know what, let me finish the vlog when I finally laid my bed. I might not come back to check in, but I'll show you guys me returning it and getting a bigger blanket. And yeah, I'm just going to end it here. Thank you for watching. Still stay tuned for the last clip of the video, but this is just the last time I am going to be checking in. So thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. I'm ending it here so I can edit the videos for you guys. And I always forget that I'm not meant to shout because the walls are very thin. That's why I've been talking in a very low voice. Okay, so I also got, did I tell you I got my BRP as well as my student card? So that too is settled. Those two are settled. And yeah, it was raining obviously outside. So you know what? Bye. See you guys in my next video. Stay tuned until I finally leave my bed. Okay, bye. I was downloading the app. That's why I was when I did the hell out of most of my clothes. No, just one. No, just two.
Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong. And I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid picture of us from June 24th. It's where I kissed you for the first time. Laid on your sheets. You gave me your heart and said you trusted with me. But all I did was let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention. Maybe we should have been friends. So you're someone I used to know, but no.
This is the fit for today. I'm not really vlogging today, but since I'm wearing this top from Shein, I decided to just show you guys. So top from Shein, trouser from Balogun Market, jacket from Marks and Spencer, bag from Mama P, shoe from my mommy, pop socks from Balogun Market. That was during NYSC. So I just wanted to show you guys how I'm styling this top from Shein, because I don't know when the haul is going to be out, but yeah, I'm starting with a black trouser. Today I tried it on with a lot of trousers and this just fit the best. I think body hug fits this kind of top, like a body hug trouser fits this kind of top, because it already has too much going on. The remaining trousers I wore were kind of free and it was not given, if that makes sense. It was just not given at all. So yeah, I'll insert this clip in the one I'm going to do when I'm doing the Shein haul. But for now, this is how I'm going to be looking. I look black. I want your love and every day close out. How do they do this ass thing that they come up? Anyway, let me go and be going for my girls' dates. The girls are going on the dates this afternoon. I also want them to take my picture with the digital screen so I can get money. So I'm here for my postgraduate induction today, but I don't even know what's going on because I can barely locate myself. Hi, good day. So it turns out that I didn't read the email correctly and I was meant to register. So I didn't register. So now that I'm here, I wasn't able to get the date and the time. So now I'm here, I've gotten the time as well. So I'll come tomorrow, 10 to 11. Hopefully I don't get hangover. Anyway, I'll control myself because today we're going for like a social gathering. So yeah, let me just show you guys around this theater.
Nobody said it'd be easy,